Hi, my name is Eugene Delgaudio, president of Public Advocate. As the big tech cartel is censoring many conservatives across multiple platforms, particularly Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, I have decided to create a series of how-to videos explaining to you, my fellow Americans, the deep secrets of how to not get silenced. Public Advocate is likewise being censored on these big tech cartel platforms, and we will stay where we can at this time. And that is why we also have moved to a lot of new, more conservative platforms that you might have heard about, such as MeWe, Telegram, USA Life, Gab, BitChute, and Rumble. We would love if you would join us on these more conservative platforms today. I will go through how to find us on each of these platforms in a series of videos. There are 5 ways to do this easily. Number 1, you can find links to all the platforms we are on our website by typing onto the search bar on your browser publicadvocateusa.org. That's publicadvocateusa.org. Scroll to the bottom of our homepage and click on the links there at the bottom to our social platforms. Number 2, click the link I put in the description down below. Number 3, contact us by email or phone and we will gladly help you find us. Email us at publicadvocateusa.org @gmail.com or call us at 703-845-1808. Number 4, follow these simple instructions I am about to show you. And number 5, you can just loop this video to replay these instructions. God bless you. Today, I will show you how to follow Public Advocate on Rumble, which is another great conservative video platform. First, open your browser and type in rumble.com. Next, in the search bar, type in Public Freedom as one word. You'll see videos pop up by Public Advocate of the U.S. You can access our video channel on Rumble even if you are not on Rumble. Click into the video and from here you can subscribe to our channel if you already have an account on Rumble. This is all very new, as you may know, so if you don't have an account on Rumble, we'd love you to join us by creating an account by following a few simple steps. You can simply click on this link, rumble.com, register Public Freedom, down in the description. This will give us credit and will help me a lot. Or click on subscribe to our channel and it will ask you to sign in or create an account. When you create an account, they will ask you for the usual, your name and your email, etc. Also, if you could please do us a favor, in the optional fields, they ask for a referral. Just type in our channel name, Public Freedom. We would love the support. Follow the rest of their instructions to complete your account setup. They will send you an email asking you to verify by clicking on a link. And there you have it. You're all set to go on Rumble, and you can find many of your favorite conservatives there. And don't forget, you can find links to all the platforms we are on our website. God bless you and God bless America.